How to use file management techniques on Windows. Welcome to today's tutorial. Let's dive into some essential techniques for managing your files. Start by organizing your files into logical folders. Create main folders for documents, photos, videos, and other categories that suit your needs. Use descriptive file names that really describe what the file has in it. Sort and arrange files by date, type, or size within folders. Utilize search and filters, so use the search bar in File Explorer to find specific files by name or content keywords. Filters such as date, modified, and file type narrow down search results. Save time accessing frequently used folders or files by creating desktop shortcuts. Right-click on a file or folder and then select Create Shortcut and drag it to the desktop. Regularly backup important files to external drives, cloud storage, or use Windows Backup and Restore feature for system files. Use this cleanup to remove temporary files and unnecessary data. Go to the Start menu, Windows Administrative Tools, Disk Cleanup, select Drive and click OK. Pin frequently used apps and files to start menu and taskbar for quick access. Libraries in Windows aggregate files from multiple locations into a single view, so customize libraries or create new ones for specific file types and projects. And congratulations, you've learned some essential file management techniques for Windows. Organizing, searching, and backing up files efficiently will enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.